Comprehensive video of cold chain products. Cold chain products include medical cryopreservation boxes, medical refrigerator freezers, medical refrigerators, medical blood refrigerators, chromatography cabinets, cold chain monitoring equipment, and so on. Medical refrigerators are used to provide a storage environment of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for medical institutions to store reagents and other samples. Medical refrigeration freezer, refrigerating chamber, used to provide 2 to 8 degrees Celsius storage environment. Freezing chamber is used to provide a storage environment between -10 degrees Celsius and -40 degrees Celsius for medical institutions to store reagents, vaccines, frozen plasma, and other samples. Medical blood bank refrigerator providing 2 to 6 degrees Celsius cold storage environment, used for low temperature storage of blood products, etc. Low temperature storage cabinet, vertical tab, providing -10 degrees Celsius to -86 degrees Celsius storage environment, suitable for clinical, medical, scientific research, quarantine, and other departments to store goods under low temperature conditions. Medical low temperature storage cabinet, horizontal tab, providing -10 degrees Celsius to -86 degrees Celsius storage environment, suitable for clinical, medical, scientific research, quarantine, and other departments to store goods under low temperature conditions. Double dose series of medical freezer providing -10 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius storage environment, used to provide a low temperature freezing environment for medical institutions to store blood products, reagents, and other samples. Medical freezer ultra low temperature series providing -40 degrees Celsius to -86 degrees Celsius storage environment, used to provide a low temperature freezing environment for medical institutions to store blood products, reagents, and other samples. The chromatography cabinet is used to provide a storage environment of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for biochemical chromatography experiments and can also be used for refrigerated goods. Temperature and humidity recorder provide -200 to 150 degrees Celsius collection, used for temperature and humidity information collection of low temperature storage equipment, local and remote alarm. More new products please look forward to.